Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to enter a new line in Copilot. This works whether you're using Copilot in your browser, the Windows Copilot app, or Microsoft 365 Copilot. First, click inside the chat prompt box at the bottom of the interface to place your cursor where you want to type. You'll see the cursor blinking in the text field. This is the main area where you type messages to Copilot. Next, type your first line of text normally. This could be the start of a question or the first line of something longer you're composing. Now here's the key step to create a new line without sending the message. Hold down the Shift key and then press Enter. Make sure you're holding Shift when you press Enter. Your cursor will move to a new line within the same input box, and importantly, the message won't send yet. This is different from pressing Enter alone, which would send the message immediately, so Shift plus Enter is what creates the line break. Once you're on the new line, continue typing the second part of your message. Your additional text appears on the line below your first text, all still in the same input box. You can repeat the Shift plus Enter shortcut as many times as you need if you want to add multiple line breaks before sending. When you're ready to send the complete multi-line message, press Enter without holding Shift. The full message with all your line breaks gets submitted to Copilot, and Copilot will start processing your request. A couple of quick tips here. This is especially useful when you're formatting multi-paragraph prompts or pasting in code examples where the line breaks actually matter for readability. The most common mistake is forgetting the Shift key and accidentally sending an incomplete message. If that happens, just start a new message and use Shift plus Enter from the beginning. And while you can add as many line breaks as you want, Copilot does have a character limit per message, so extremely long inputs might need to be split across multiple messages anyway. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.